Good morning. So as you see, I am now dealing with this dry cough. I started chemotherapy 2 days ago, and I have chemotherapy today. So this will be the third day so far. Got this dry cough, and last night I had some more hiccups. Hiccup stopped, and now it's changed into a dry cough. So I don't know. I'm gonna just keep an eye out. You saw me. I was drinking my water. So I don't know. Yeah. All right. Keep me in prayer, and I'll keep you posted. And it's 5:26 a.m. right now. And I've got chemotherapy at 8:30 in the morning. All right. Like I said, keep me in prayer, and I'll keep you posted.